What's up, minnows? I got married. We got married a month ago, and it's my first time back filming since then. It's Saturday, November 1st at 7:30 a.m. and my friend David and I are gonna go back to our spot on the Coldwater River and try some fly fishing. Here comes David. All right, we're gonna do a pre-fishing interview with David. David.
Good morning, everyone.
What's the biggest fish you've caught at this spot?
Probably 8-inch trout.
Okay.
Which is also my best trout.
That's good.
So hopefully we can break that today.
Okay, my biggest was a bluegill, so hopefully I break that today too. It's gonna be good. We're getting here earlier than John and David were here last weekend, so that's good. And it sprinkled on us when we were getting ready, but now it's clear skies. So it's gonna be a good day. There it is up there.
I've never caught anything where all those fall.
Oh, that's a nice one. Let's go, dude. Oh, that's sick. Nice. Oh, that's a good one, dude.
Wow,
Oh my gosh.
that feels good.
Oh, David, keep it in the water, bro. That's a 15-incher. Keep it in the water. You want me to net him?
Yeah.
Keep it in the water. Oh, David, that's a beast. Oh my gosh.
Wow.
That's a beast, David.
Oh my God.
Hold the net, bro. Oh my gosh. Are you serious?
He's a tank.
That's a tank.
That's a tank.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, no freaking way.
Oh my word.
My heart is racing. Wow. And he came out of the shallow water. I was like, I think I'm caught on something. Or like I had to leave because it wasn't coming in, but he was kind of coming with the woolly bugger.
Oh, John's gonna be so jealous too. Oh, that's crazy.
Wow. Alright, come here, buddy. Let's see if we can get some pictures.
Oh, that's insane.
Yep, that's what he ate. There's some algae on it too.
Dang. Streamer bite is on. All right, minnows. We lost a lot of woolly buggers and we just caught those 2 brown trout, but it was definitely a successful morning. Beautiful fall colors, and now I'm gonna drive home. I'll see you in the next video. All right, you guys, you're not gonna believe this. It's now November 15th, and I'm fly fishing above the dam on the Rogue River, and I just caught like a 17-inch pike. I'm going for brown trout. What the heck? I just caught him on a woolly bugger. And the crazy thing is, 5 casts before this, a pike bit off my other woolly bugger. I bet it's the same guy. It's not in his mouth, but I'm just in shock right now. That's my first pike on the fly though. I'm in shock. That is not a small pike. Yeah, I don't know. See you in the next video.